All right, so I found a bunch more footage from Tennessee on accident because I thought I lost a camera, then I found it, and then I found some other footage I missed too. So this is a bunch of badass like climbing, mudding type footage that I should have put in the other video, the first one I posted from Tennessee, but I didn't. And I'm too lazy to go re-edit it. So I'm just gonna post it as another video, and I think you guys will like it. It's a lot of pretty hardcore pioneer stuff up in Royal Blue area. So enjoy, guys. So I don't have a windshield because I'm actually retarded, and it's 38 degrees outside, so it's quite cold. So I got my snowmobile Gore-Tex gloves on and a full-face motorcycle helmet. Turn off my dome light, Amazon dome light, super clutch. Video everybody coming across. One-wheel drive.
One-wheel drive.
Three-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive.
There, doesn't it? Oh.
This is getting bad.
This is getting bad. You gotta get somebody to get a picture of you from that of you. We're standing up. It's so good. Look how close we are.
They might want to turn around.
Don't need to back out. This is like Caleb on the trail with the dirt bikes. Remember? We can turn around up here. Look, I think we can turn around up here. Yeah. I don't know what. Yeah.
That's a good line.
Wow.
Damn! I did the same thing. My roll cage is just bouncing off the side. Look at this pallet. Yeah. There you go. I tried to do that. That did not work for me. I ended up down there. Hell yeah. You got about 5 foot of ground clearance right now.
Right? I'm okay. This little block is supporting my whole body. This is not driving.
What?
I know how to drive pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Do you have stuff like this in Arizona? Colorado area?
Yeah. Yeah, kind of like this. Man, that thing flexes good.
so badass.